Good morning, children. Social Science, Unit 3 Rights and Duties of Children. There are rules that all citizens of the country have to follow. Citizen, what does it mean? Citizen is a person who is a member of a country. A citizen enjoys the rights given to him or her by the country. Who set these rules for citizens? The Constitution of India set these rules. A set of rules of a country is known as Constitution. The Constitution lays down certain rules to help the country work together smoothly. The Indian Constitution is the lengthiest constitution of the world. The original document was handwritten. All over the world, there are different policies and rights. Children have certain rights to ensure that every child is treated the same. These are practiced to create a healthy environment for the children to live in. Let us see. All over the world, there are many countries which have agreed to make some basic rights for children. Our country is one of them. The four major child rights are right to survival. It is to ensure every child has access to minimum standards of food. This helps in healthy growth in all children. There are different rights for children below the age of 6 and between the age of 16 to 14 years. This is because both age groups have different needs for their growth and development. The WASH program is also a part of it. What happens in that program? WASH, WASH, stands for Water, Sanitation and Hygiene. It means there should be access to clean water for drinking and other needs. There are many diseases that spread through water. To avoid this, having access to safe water is very important. There are many vaccines and drops which are given to children to protect them from certain diseases. Right to development. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skills. All children below 14 years have the right to go to school. The government is responsible for providing free education to all. Children are involved in different works at different places. This is called child labor. It is illegal to force children below the age of 14 to work. Call the child line number 1098. Right to protection. Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. Indian government has set laws for the same. There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. All you need to do is keep an eye out for danger and be confident. Right to participate. Children have the right to participate in matters related to them. This includes asking questions, giving suggestions, and making decisions in things that affect them. Children have the right to participate in discussions and implementation of all things related to them. Every citizen of the country can enjoy the rights and do duties. Children also have special rights. Children have the right to have healthy food for growth and development. Children have the right to go to school and have good education. Children have the right to be protected against danger. Children have the right to participate in the matters related to them. Thank you. Good morning, children. Social Science, Unit 3 Rights and